is Hans, the Ramen Ranger, coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came by way of a fella named The Fat Hipster. You can find him on YouTube. Cool reviews and stuff. Thank you very much, dude. This is Nongshim Bokkeummyeon. Shin Bokkeummyeon. So it's a dry noodle. The easiest way to say it, and it's by a competing brand. This is gonna be like a dry noodle, like Indomie or Bulldog Bokkeummyeon. That's what they used to call it. I mean, that's really what it's called. But it's a spicy noodle, and we will give that a go. What's neat about this has Shin-shaped kamaboko. So first off, let's drop in the round noodle block, and then we've got this sachet that has, drop that there, this has little Shin kamaboko in there. Can I find one and just pull it out? Is that something I have the qualifications to do? I think I can do that. Man, can you see that? Look at that. Yeah. So we drop that in. And this is going to go for 4 minutes. It's already been bubbling a little bit. So I'm going to do it for... There we go. That should do the trick. And then we have our powder sachet and a... looks like a spicy liquid sachet, so that is cool. 702. Okay. So, what's new with you? Yeah, I'm taking the day off from doing my 10-mile walk and doing reviewing, which I'll probably do tomorrow as well. So that's kind of exciting. I've been doing 10 miles a day. Gosh, I think yesterday was like my 20th day of doing that. So I think in October, this is Halloween today. It's October 31st. In October, I think I ended up with like I get like 300 miles this month. I did 680,000 steps. So that's a lot. That's good. That's the most I've done since last June. Yeah, not like June of 2022, but June of 2021. May of 2021, I did 1.1 million. I tell you what, though, January of this year, that's when I got COVID. That's why I ended up in the ICU, which actually was more of a fascinating experience than a scary one to me, but, you know. Yeah. Not one that I want to do again, though. But anyway... yeah, that really sidelined me, and I've also found that if I do 1 million steps in the month, then like after that, generally it's like it's just like I just kill myself doing that. So I think I'm gonna like stick to doing, not that many. I remember seeing a guy doing a challenge to try to get 100,000 steps in a day, and the guy kept stopping and doing all these things, and it's like, how are you getting 100,000 steps in a day? That takes a long time. You're looking at, I don't know, when I'm out walking on the street, I get about 6,000 to 7,000 steps an hour. So for 100,000, well, 10 hours it'd be 70,000. So 15 hours of just straight walking at a pretty decent clip would pull it off. I think the guy threw his Fitbit in a paint shaker or something. I don't know. But he kept stopping to eat. It was just like, what? This restaurant's really great. They got all these great foods and I really like it here. Man, my feet hurt. It's like, dude, you're pulling that off. The only time you're stopping is to pull out a razor blade and pop the blisters on your feet and just change your socks and keep going. I'm sorry. I've done 70,000 in a day. Granted, a lot of that was apartment laps, which I don't do anymore. I'm done with that. That's no fun. And I don't think you really get as much exercise out of walking back and forth on a completely flat floor. Also, walking outside is much better because you get like fresh air, you know. It's not all stagnant and stuffy. So, yeah. But I used to do a lot of apartment laps. Boy. And good job, alarm. I didn't really expect it to work right, but it did. It did as it was supposed to. Okay, so now we drain this. Come on, little shinny bits. Now we're going to add in the bits and pieces. We got the powder. There's a lot of powder here. Holy moly. Like I said, a lot of powder. So I'm going to do that up. Wowee. It's got a nice scent to it, I'll give it that. Spicy tangy. Again with the tangy. Here's our liquid. It is a dark liquid. I'm guessing this is mainly an oil with a little bit of chili in it. I really have no idea. If this is like ultra spicy, yeah, I'll do a mukbang, but that was not what I was planning on doing today. I've got plenty of stuff that the old fat hipster sent me that should be mukbang worthy. But this is supposed to be a Bokkeummyeon, so I don't remember. It's something. Is Bokkeummyeon chicken? No. Bulldog is chicken. Bulldog is octopus. Or seafood, I don't know. But here we are, we've got our Shin concoction. Also, if you're interested, being Halloween, I came up with a recipe, and I had an ice cream, I've got an ice cream maker, specifically that I got to make ramen ice cream, no joke. And I made Shin ramen ice cream using the seasoning sachets, and yeah, so there we are. Here I am. Let's give this a try. Pretty dark. I like the color on this. Cheers. Mmm. It's got a good heat to it. Is it mukbang spicy? Nice little bits in there. Some people might think so. I personally don't. I mean, it's got a nice heat to it, but it's not so over the top. We'll see what happens. I like it. It's not killing me. Yay, my new plate. So I got 2 new plates, or one dish and 1 plate. I got the dish for doing the ice cream. What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Where's my phone? There's my phone. Yeah, that's not gonna. You need to go over here. What's that? Yeah. Alright. Let's drop it in. Yeah, Yeah, I got this one, and I got a little tiny one for the ice cream, which is easily seen. Just type in Shin Ramen ice cream. You might unfortunately find videos of people like dropping an ice cream cone in ramen and going, why are people dropping ice cream cones in ramen? It's so shocking. Like, come on, make something. Jeez. Make something weird. That's what I like to do. I make things like that ice cream. It wasn't good. Kamaboko is, in this, is about what you'd expect. They're just cutesy because they have Shin logos on them, which I have nothing against. I think that's fun. Got some beef. Beef was simply sauteed with a little bit of Maggi seasoning. If you don't know what that is, it's that funny shaped bottle. And it says Maggi on it. I really wanted to get stir-fry beef, but my local store, nice people that work there, unfortunately, they don't have all the stuff all the time. Which, that irritates me. Gotta be able to buy stuff, don't you? I think I'm gonna forego the mung bean sprouts on this one because I think that would just be too. Let's just say it'd be too white. I think this looks nice the way it is. All right, Rotato, do your stuff. Get funky. Well, thanks again to the Fat Hipster for sending this over. This stuff's good. Here's what it looks like again. It's basically like Shin stir-fried ramen, and that's probably, if this comes to the States, that's how it'll be marketed. So, the next one I'm doing is a candy. This is Naruto Shippuden Ichiraku Ramen Candy by Viz. I don't know who Viz is, but we'll give it a try. Yeah, I don't know. It's Halloween. Why can't we do this? Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Go check out the Fat Hipster. Have a good one. Bye-bye.